Ever struggled with bitter, bland coffee while camping or traveling? Same here. One day, I discovered the AeroPress Clear Red on a coffee forum. Its sleek, transparent design and portable size immediately caught my eye. The patented 3-in-1 brew technology was a total game changer for me. No more bitter coffee or messy cleanup, just smooth, rich perfection every time. Its durable, unbreakable Triton material made it perfect for my outdoor adventures. I can now brew espresso, pour over, or French press anytime, anywhere. Compact and lightweight, it fits perfectly in my bag for on-the-go brewing. Cleanup is a breeze, just seconds, and I'm ready for my next cup. Tired of settling for mediocre coffee when traveling? Why not upgrade today? Imagine sipping rich, smooth coffee wherever you are. Sounds amazing, right? Don't wait, grab your AeroPress Clear Red now and elevate your coffee game.